for ball, we bounce and play, rollin', jumping every day. C for cat, who loves to purr, soft and furry, hear her stir. D for dog, so kind and true, always loves to play with you. E for elephant, big and strong, with a trunk that's very long. F for fish that swims around in the water, up and down. G for goat with horns so neat, chewing grass he loves to eat. H for hat we wear on head, blue, green, yellow, white or red. I for ice cream, cold and sweet, tasty, yummy, summer treat. J for jug with water clear, pour a glass and bring it near. K for kite, up in the sky, flying, dancing way up high. L for lion, king of land, roars so loud and strong and grand. M for monkey, funny face, jumps and swings from place to place. N for nest where birdies sing, safe and cozy home in spring. O for owl who hoots at night, big round eyes so wide and bright. P for parrot, green and red, talks so funny words he said. Q for queen with crown so tall, kind and gentle, loved by all. R for rabbit, soft and white, hops around with pure delight. S for sun that shines so high, gives us warmth and lights the sky. T for tree so big and green, home to birds and shade so clean. U for umbrella when it rains, keeps us dry on streets and lanes. V for violin, soft to play, music brightens up our day. W for whale so huge and blue, swimming freely in the sea too. X is for xylophone, ding ding.